people, it's your girl Asia, the MUA, back with another edition of Adventures in Freelancing. If you are new and this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm more than happy to have you. If you are returning, however, you already know what time it is. Hey A-lister, how you doing? So I recorded this video for a mini tutorial that I posted on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. And you guys requested the full detail video, so this is what I'm bringing you today with the Tri palette by Juvia'S Place. This is the latest palette by Juvia'S Place, and it's fire. So this is the shade Amoro, and I'm just blending this into my crease with my NYX Cosmetics brush, of course. So now I'm taking the color Masai. Ooh, child. I dusted the brush off and I'm just taking this on the edges of the orange shadow just to blend it and smooth it out. I really like the little pop of color above the orange that this color gave me. Y'all, this look was really special to me, like for a couple of reasons. First of all, this was like a PR package from Juvia'S Place. I didn't order this package. I hadn't talked to the owner of the company, and it just came to my door in the mail, so I was super excited. Another reason it was really special was because, I don't know, I just felt like everybody was doing greens in this palette. The greens are beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to pull something different out of this palette, and I love how it came out. So here I'm just taking that brown shadow in the Tri palette and a Juvia'S Place brush from, I think this is the 5-piece pink set. I'll leave everything in the description box below, of course. The name of this shadow is Ashanti. Beautiful brown shadow. This was probably my favorite shadow out of this entire look. No, just kidding. Keep watching. I just thought the color story in this palette was so gorgeous, and I haven't seen anything like it as far as like a green focused palette. Like the focus of this palette is like clearly those greens is what pops in the palette. But I don't know, like I haven't met a Juvia'S Place product that I didn't like. So I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. I have a couple videos where I do actually cut a crease on camera. I'll leave a card so you guys can check that out if you want. But I'm just taking Ashanti and blending it on the outside of where I laid the concealer to cut the crease. And this is just to transition the lid color really well. So Coral was definitely my favorite shadow in this look. This is such a beautiful, unique eyeshadow. Oh my god, I got my entire life, okay? I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush, just a flat synthetic brush will do, to lay that shadow down and get really close to that cut crease, which looks a little uneven on camera right now, but whatever. So I'm just blending Ashanti and Coral together a little bit more cohesively. But what am I singing though? Have y'all ever bought something from a brand and then the brand just disappears? That is these Glitter Elixrs glitters. Like, I fell in love with them and then they disappeared. So I'm using this Glitter Elixrs glitter, a Lash by Dollface pigment, and also an NYX glitter. I'll leave all the details in the description box though. Somebody asked me one time why I applied my foundation with this brush, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it's because most of my foundation is in a sample jar from MAC. my favorite foundation brush once again. If you guys want to see like an updated my favorite brushes video, leave me a comment below and let me know, because it's been like a year since I've done one, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this brush for foundation. I just want y'all to be a witness to how I played myself. What? So I had just opened a new Covergirl collection, bronzer in Ebony Bronze, and she came to work. I was not ready for her, okay? Too fast, too hard, too heavy. So at this point, I'm ready to just throw the whole damn look away and call my mom and cry to her about why I need to reevaluate the decisions that I made for my life. But I am so glad that I kept pushing through. I'm so glad I kept pushing through. I picked up the Zulu palette because I wanted to try something that somebody in this really bomb group on Facebook called the Juvia'S tribe. Shout out to the tribe. This palette was for us, y'all. Like, shout out to the tribe. But somebody suggested using this shadow in the Zulu palette as a blush, and I tried it and I loved it. It's such a pretty flush of color on the cheeks. You guys saw me just pick up Cuba, and I'm just running that on my lower lash line because I'm trying to set up for a glittery waterline lash line thing. This glitter is called Ancestral Green and it's from superglitters.com. This lip color is called Taytu. It is by Juvia'S Place. It is from the Empress Lip Collection that came out last year, maybe. Shout out to Juvia'S Place for sending me like these amazing liquid lips. Like, they're awesome. Like, oh my goodness, they're so good. They dry down really nicely. The finish is really good. There are matte and metallic formulas in this collection, and they don't like suck the life out of your lips. Like, oh my goodness, that's why I don't usually go for liquid lipsticks, because they're just so much work to wear. But this formula is actually really nice. Like, I will wear these. I really be feeling like a magician. Okay, so I have to be honest with y'all. When I first saw these tribe highlighters, it was the first time I was not shook by a Juvia'S Place product. I thought they were chunky. I thought they weren't gonna blend well, but look what happened. Amazingly gorgeous piece of equipment is the J229 fan brush from the Royal 7-piece brush collection. I know we said Kat Von D was canceled, but I love this little alchemy palette, and my kids don't go to school with Kat Von D kids, so I'm gonna use this little green shade for my inner corner highlights, sis. Then I'm drenching my face with setting spray, and then y'all know I'm pulling out my Diva fan to dry it down. You would think this was a high-end setting spray, and it's not. If you want to know what it is, drop down that description box, sis. How about I made this wig 3 years ago, though? Her Imports is where this hair is from, and yes, this unit is 3 years old. Alright, A-listers, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoy creating it. Usually I'll see a picture and be like, oh, I want to recreate that look. But this look wasn't a recreation. This is something that I came up with in my own mind, and it came out exactly how I pictured it. Better than how I pictured it, as a matter of fact, because I wasn't executing this cut crease that good in my mind, sis. But here is some good cell phone footage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay beautiful.